It is no secret that homeless encampments across the metro are growing, and while some city-run programs provide resources and services are helping, not all are hitting the mark.
And tonight we have a 360 in-depth look at what's being done locally and statewide to address the issue. We'll mainly focus on the City of Denver street enforcement team. Some say it's focusing more on enforcement than help.
We will also see how it stacks up against the STAR program, since both are community respondent programs.
Denver 7's Micah Smith kicks off our 360 in-depth coverage.
A sign notifying unhoused citizens of a planned cleanup.
I've been through about 40-something sweeps.
Ryan says if he sticks around after the sweeps, he knows a ticket is likely to follow.
I've been threatened. I haven't received one because they can't ever catch me.
The they Ryan is referring to is Denver Street Enforcement Team, or SET, a civilian-based unit with the power to issue tickets for violating Denver's urban camping ban.
One of our concerns is that SET has been conflated with STAR.
Vinny Cervantes is on the Community Advisory Committee for STAR, the Support Team Assisted Response Program. STAR sends mental health counselors and paramedics to low-level incidents.
It's there to connect people with services, with treatment, with any kind of help that they need. But SET is enforcement.
Recently, the advisory committee launched a public campaign to formally differentiate between the two civilian-led programs. The committee released this statement saying, in part, the SET program and criminalization of homelessness stand contrary to STAR values. We reached out to the city for its response to the statement, but did not hear back. We did find this Denver Task Force to Reimagine Policing January meeting in which Denver's Director of Safety, Armando Saldate, responds to SET criticisms.
That they harass and that they somehow, well, I disagree with that. I'm out with them. I've seen that. I've seen the engagement. I've seen what it looks like. I've seen the help that we are providing folks. Yes, I've seen folks that don't want the help.
I suffer from PTSD, bipolar disorder, and high cases of anxiety. So when the police are doing the sweeps, it freaks us out,
I guess.
And Cervantes says this is exactly what STAR doesn't want. Citizens avoiding all authorities and skipping out on the help the STAR program is designed to provide. Reporting in Denver, Micah Smith, Denver 7.
And both SET and the STAR program are receiving more money to expand. Earlier this year, Denver allocated more than $4 million to expand SET. $1.4 million was also approved to expand the STAR program. And the STAR Advisory Committee plans to address the city's Department of Public Safety tomorrow.
And finding ways to address homelessness is really a metro-wide priority. The city of Aurora modeled its own STAR program after the city of Denver's, and it's been a success. But Mayor Mike Kaufman says he's still receiving complaints about panhandlers across the city. Just this morning, Kaufman shared his thoughts in 2 tweets. He claims panhandlers are getting increasingly aggressive. He also shared a picture of a woman who he says is walking through stopped traffic near Chambers and Hamden. Kaufman says he's researching what other cities are doing to address the issue from a safety perspective.
And let's give you some more context on why programs like SET and STAR are so important. Police departments across the state are experiencing a shortage of officers. According to a survey by the Colorado Municipal League, more than 80% of cities with their own police force are having issues with recruiting. Half the cities with their own police departments are also having a hard time retaining officers.
So let's talk about solutions to the issue. At the state level, state lawmakers have made it a priority to provide more funding to help connect Coloradans with services. Today, Governor Polis signed House Bill 1377 into law. This creates a new program within the Department of Local Affairs to award grants to local governments. The bill also directs the General Assembly to appropriate $105 million to the fund. That money will be used for services for the homeless, recovery care, and housing program.